What's up guys, welcome back to my another exciting tutorial. Here I am Sudipto Sarkar and you are watching Salty Toast. In 2-minute tutorial I will show you most soft contrast teal and orange look using Camera Raw. So let's get started. So first thing first, unlock the background and then go to the filter and Camera Raw filter. So in Camera Raw filter I will match up my lights, contrast and color and everything. So first just down the exposure and decrease the contrast and highlight little bits, then just increase shadow and texture little bit, increase and de-hurt. After that I am going to HSL adjustment. In HSL adjustment I will do in hue, just decrease the yellow and green and blues also, like that. Yes, then saturation. In saturation I'll just decrease orange and red little bit and increase blue little bit, and then in luminance just increase the orange and red little bit and just decrease aqueous and blue. And the most amazing part in this tutorial, split toning. In split toning I will increase saturation and hue will be 90, and in shadow panel I'll increase the saturation and little bit hue. That's it. Now in the calibration. In calibration I will decrease the blue primary, that's it, and in green primary I will decrease also, and red primary I will increase the red, and after that I will show you the image. This is before and after. Before and after. After that I will go to the radial filter and adjust the light . That's it guys, thank you so much from this tutorial. If you learn 10% then just hit the subscribe button, and if you already subscribe my channel then just hit the like button and tell me what you want in the next tutorial. So guys, thank you so much.